Hello student, hope all of you are fine. Today I am going to discuss May-June 2017 variant 2 question paper, only the database part. I made a duplicate copy in my desktop, so this is the question paper. Every May-June exam they will publish two question paper. One is variant 1 and one is variant 2. So today we are going to discuss variant 2 database part. Now database part start from task 3. First we have to read the statement given by the examiner. You are going to prepare some report for the university. Examine the data in the file J227 degree.csv and J227 faculty.csv. So they are asking to check the data inside the file basically. Now we can start from here. Using suitable database package, import the file J227 degree.csv. So first we have to open Access. We are using Access 2010. After that, what you have to do, you have to locate your database where you are going to save. So by clicking here, and then you have to go to your desktop, because my file belongs to desktop, that is May-June 2017. I want to save that file here only. Now database name, I'll give my name, then press OK, and after that I'll click create. Now you'll see that computer automatically create one table. That table is not needed, so we need to import some file, that is J227 degree.csv. So CSV is a text file, so you have to click here, text, browse, desktop, May-June 2017 227 degree. Okay, always it should be delimited, yes, because all the values should be separated by comma. Then first row contain field name for separating the field name and values. Next, and select advanced for changing the data type, because in the question paper they will ask you to change the data type. So all first 5 is text, 3 to 5, and next all numeric integer, boolean logical. Okay, now all will be text, and this thing length in the data file, if you check, the length is not maximum more than 2 digits, so we can mention this one integer. So everything can be integer, because nothing is more than 2 digit. If you check the file properly before starting, you will check that everything is under 2 digit or 3 digit. If some data is more than that, you can keep long integer, even you can keep long integer also. Okay, and full time according to the question paper, this is boolean logical, that means yes no, and checkbox you will mention after import the file. So this is yes no, then press OK. Next, so according to the question paper, which one will be the primary key? Set the course code field will be primary key, so choose my own primary key, course code field. Next, and then finish, then close. Our first table is imported. Open this one into design view, so it will be look like this. Now here you have to change format, should be yes no, but lookup should be checkbox, so you have to go to lookup and change it to checkbox. Done. Now next question, save the data, evidence 4. So now we have to open our evidence document from the file 022, that evidence. So evidence document will be given in rich text format, that is RTF. So you have to save it as a Microsoft Word document. Let it open. It's taking time to open. Okay, enabling. Okay, now file save as, it should be Word document. According to the question paper, you can give your name, and I have to save it in May-June 2017. in my desktop, May June 2017. Here in the question paper, in the beginning of the question paper, they ask you to file name, so I am saving it evidence. In the exam time, just you have to save it according to the question paper, and it should be Word document, not rich text format. Save. Now under evidence 4, so you have to put that screenshot. What screenshot they are asking for? They take the screenshot evidence showing the field name and data type. So open Microsoft Access. So you will keep your cursor pointer over that field where you did maximum change, like this one. Then print screen button, press print screen button, or snipping tool also you can use. Then go to evidence document, paste it here. So now here press, give some space, and full screen is not needed, so you need to crop, format, crop option, only this part. So you will take both of them, upper part and lower part. Okay, some student of different school, they take only the first part, so not, which is not correct. So everything is visible. If you check, checkbox, so this data should be visible. Okay, done. Now next question, restrict the data entry in the length field to accept only the number 6 or less. So what you will do, first you have to keep your cursor pointer over the data type of length field, then go to general. So what will be the restriction? That means validation you have to give to accept only number 6 or less. So in that case, validation rule, you have to write down less than equal to 6 or less, and data validation text you will type data should not be more than 6. Okay, that means when you try to input some data which is more than 6, that time it will show you this error message. Now you have to, what they are asking you to do in evidence file, you have to take the screenshot. Some student they take only one screenshot, you have to take two screenshot, like the error message also and the validation rules also. So take this screenshot, print screen, and go to evidence document. This is evidence 5, evidence 5. So evidence 5 should be down. Okay, crop this picture, crop it, make it big, so that validation rule and validation text should be visible. And down one you will put the error message. So how will get the error message? Open this table in datasheet view, save it. Yes. Now the length you just put some value here, 9. Suppose here it should be suppose you are putting some value, right, 9, for getting the error message, and try to come out from here, then it will show you error message. So you'll keep your error message here, the just down of the data which one you inputted. It was 3, right? Now input a 4, and take the screenshot, print the screen button, go to evidence document, and under this one, format, crop it. So keep up to this. So examiner should understand that you gave some data for getting the error message, and the data length of the data is more than 6. So you take the screenshot and put the screenshot under this one. So your data was 9 and it was showing the error message. That is the proof. Now what I will do in the access, we have to go to access, press OK, and just change it. Just for the error message we change the data. Now Control S, Control W. Now next question, this part is over. Add the records, this one. So they are asking to add the record. So you have to open this one into normal view, just click open, And for going to the last part of this record, so you have to click this arrow, new blank record. Okay, and you have to input your data here according to the question paper. So first one is, and when you're inputting the data, you'll make sure that you're typing the data according to the question. Like here it is given BS qual code, right? So BS in capital, so it should be in capital, not in a small format. So if you write in a small letter, they will cut your mark. Food science. Then advisor CTY capital. Then you have to input this data also. Then 5 to 5, this one will be 5 to 5, and it should be tick. Okay, now our data is inputted. Next one, check your data entry for errors. Save the data. Check the data entry for errors. Why they mentioned? Because some students try to input they are not maintaining the alphabets, whether it is capital letter or small letter. So it should be according to the question paper. Now press Ctrl S and Ctrl W, save and exit. And keep one thing in your mind before doing next question, always right side should be clear. Okay. Import the file j227 faculty.csv as a new table in your database and set the faculty code field as a primary key. Now see, here they did not ask to change the data type, they are asking to import faculty file. So same process, external data text file, browse faculty. Okay, next first row contain field name. Next, as they did not ask to change the data type, so we'll go next and choose the primary key. And what is that? Faculty code according to the question paper, so it should be faculty code. Done. Next, finish, close, done. Now next, create a relationship between faculty code field in the faculty table and the faculty code field in the degree table. So for making relationship, we have to go to database tools, relationship, take both the table, add. Okay, and you know the condition of the relationship. For making relationship, there should be one primary key and one foreign key according to their question paper. Which one is the primary key? Faculty code, this one. With this faculty code, it will be connected here, because in the question paper they mention like that way: create a relational database in the faculty code field in the faculty table and the faculty code field in the degree table. So what you will do, you will drag it and put it over here and create. Okay, done. Now next, evidence 6, take the screenshot of evidence showing the relationship between the table. Okay, in that case you have to take both screen, this one and previous one also. So right click for bringing the previous one, edit relationship, keep this screen here, and then take the screenshot, print the screen, go to your evidence document and the relationship part, Ctrl V, crop it, crop this one, crop this part, make it big. Then so it should be visible, one too many. Now next one, press OK, Ctrl S, Ctrl W. For the next one, what they are asking to do, using field from both the table, produce a report which will select only those report where wall code is PhD and length is 4 or more. Okay, before making report what I told you, that you have to make a query, and from which line you have to start the query part. Show only the fields, where it is written show only the fields. So first we have to make the query. So create query wizard, this is the easiest way, simple query wizard. Then what are the field we need to take? They mention here subject, length, head of faculty. So subject, length, head of faculty is another table, head of faculty, this one. Then next, and campus in the order with the data and levels are displayed in full. Okay, done, taken. Next, finish. Now open this one into design view. Now why we are opening this one into design view? Because we need to write down the criteria. So where is the criteria? The first question you see, select only those record where qual code is PhD. So here I did not take qual code because they did not ask for writing like criteria. You need to take qual code. So in that case, what you will do, you just double click here, then qual code will be down. So qual code, what they mention, qual code is PhD. So you have to write in the row of criteria under the qual code, it should be PhD in capital. And next one, length is 4 or more. So under the length in the row of criteria, greater than equal to 4, because they mentioned 4 or more. Done. So our criteria part is over. Now what they are asking next part, this part is done. Sort the length in descending order and sort the length in descending order, then ascending order of subject. Length is descending order, so in the sort descending and ascending order of subject. You can do this one when you are going to create a report, that time also. So descending order of length, ascending order of subject. Okay, done. Query part is over. Control S, Control W. Now check the query, how many value is coming? 33. Okay, now close this part. Now we have to make a report. For making report, first you have to select the query, then create report wizard. So from the query table, not by mistake, don't take any other table, only query table, because we need this query. We created this query for our like report. Now question is that in the question paper they mention you need to take these fields, but if you check this one, we took one extra field also. So what we will do, you can take separately all the fields which one they're asking, which one examiner asking, that one by clicking this arrow, right arrow. Otherwise what you can do, close, cancel this one, design view, go to design view of that query and just unblock this one. Unblock does not means that you are deleting, unblock means you are hiding that part, but in backbone it will work. So Control S, Control W, save and exit. Now create report wizard. So through this query, transfer all the field right side. Next, next. Okay, if you select this one, you will see it is separated. It should not be. So it should be this one. All fields should be together. Then click next. No grouping. Next. And ascending, descending, we already did that one. Click next. And it should be portrait or landscape. In the question paper they mention has a page orientation, portrait, fit on a single page. Okay, now here it is portrait, fit on a single page means this one, it should be tick. It is already tick, automatically it will be tick. Next, and then finish. So these are the fields, 4 fields is here, but some field name is not visible. In that case you have to open this one into layout view for editing the field length. So what I will do, I'll just move these things little bit. I'll move head of faculty, campus also you can move little bit right side, head of faculty little bit right side, then you will get this one also little bit right side, length, and this one also little bit right side. Now what you have to do, done. About this part is include the heading, extended doctoral options. So for heading, here heading is given different, you have to open this one into design view, then drop this part and write down this one. Okay, next one, calculate the total number of subject in the selection and position in the below of the subject column. Okay, open this one into layout view. So total number of subject you have to count. So what you will do, you will select the value of the subject and then select total and count values. Now you will get total number of subject in down 33. Now after that what they said, has a label to the left of this number, total subject. Label should be total subject. So if you want to write something, you have to open this one into layout view, design view, and see this is your formula, and the left side of this formula you have to write according to the question paper. Total, they mention what you have to write, total subjects. Okay, now you have to, for writing something, if you want to write something in the design view, you have to take the label box, that is AA, and draw one label box here and type your name, sorry, total total subjects total subjects done. You can keep it little bit left, this one also little bit left. Okay, now open this one into layout view again. You can check whether it is typed or total subjects. It is given. Perfect. Okay, now next question. Has your name, center number, candidate number on the report? Okay, on the report means it should be in the page, like either page header or page footer. So why you have to do, open this one into design view. So if you write in the report footer, what will happen? It will come in the last page only. It should be in, if suppose your report is under 2 page, that time if you write your name, center number and candidate number in the report footer, it will come in the last page, not in the first page. But this information should be included in every page. In that case, what you will do, you will delete these boxes. Don't delete the internal part of this box, and draw one label box, put the label box here. So you write down your name. So I'm writing my name, my center number SA139, as a boys, and for girls SX139, and some candidate number. Now open this one into layout view. Now you can check your name, center number, candidate number also written. Done. Then what they are asking, print out 2, just you have to print it. Evidence 7, place in your evidence document screenshot showing the formula used, the calculation number of subjects. So in design view you checked one, so that formula we applied, like total records, how many records is there, count the records, count the values. So that formula, design view, go to design view, this formula you have to take the screenshot. So for that, what you will do, you will press print screen button, and then go to evidence document, evidence 7, control V, oh sorry, not this one, go there again, keep your cursor pointer here, print screen, and then go to evidence, control V, select this one, crop this part, format, crop. So only you have to keep this part. Now you have to make it big, so examiner should understand this one, right? Perfect. Now next one, so save it, control S, control W, save and exit. Now if you want to check the report, it will be look like this. Just you have to print it and submit it to the examiner after finishing your exam. Okay, now next one, what they are asking, using field from both the table, produce a report. Okay, they are asking to create another report. So same thing, before making report, what we have to do, we have to make a query. So from which question we will start the query, where it is written show only the fields. Okay, the same process is same, create query wizard, simple query wizard. And when you will try to make second query, don't take any field from the query field, you have to take the field from the main tables. So you have two main tables, one is degree and one is faculty. Okay, so what are the field you have to take? First mention that one, show only the fields course code, qual code, subject. Now course code from the degree table, not from the query table. Course code, qual code, then subject, qual code subject, faculty male female, faculty is not here, faculty is another table, faculty table, faculty male female in another table, degree table, male female, then full time and total enroll, full time and total enroll you have to create, because in the beginning of the question what they said, contain the new field total enroll. So we'll create that one in the design view. So up to this, click next and finish, and open this one into design view. Now check, Here, according to the question paper, the first question of second report, what they are asking, contain a new field called total enrolled, which is calculated at runtime and display as integer. Okay, total enrolled. So you have to create a new field, total underscore enrolled. Okay. After that, give clone sign, and what formula you have to type? Total enroll, which is calculated runtime display as integer. This will calculate the total number of the student enrolled by adding male and female. So you have to add these two fields, male and female. So if you want to use some field under the formula, that time you have to keep the field under a square bracket. So this is male, close the bracket, plus square bracket female, close the bracket. Now if you click outside, you will see one thing, automatically the tick sign will come if your formula is correct. So click outside, so tick sign came. For make sure, again you run this one, you check the total enroll is calculated. How? See, 8 plus 1 is 9, 3 plus 1 is 4, so your formula is working. Now again open this one into design view. Now it's time to write down the criteria. Select only the record where subject contain the word. So here it is mentioned contain the word science. When they will mention contain the word science, that time you have to understand with that particular word. Here particular word means science, some other word also there. So you want to extract the value where science is written. So in that case, what you have to do? In that case, if your value is belongs to some other value, that means if your extracting values belongs to some other value, that time contain the word subject, contain the word under the subject, you have to write down double star, then science double star close. Now if you run it and check it how it is looking, the subject, all subject contains science. Now check, see all the subject contains science. So now open this on your design view. Again, for writing next criteria, qual code is BS or BA. So qual code is BS, qual code BAS or BA, you can type. Then full time is yes, full time you have to write down yes. Okay, done. Now if you run it, how many record is there? 31 record is there. Okay, any more thing is needed? No, no more criteria. Okay, now sort the data into ascending order of qual code. So we'll do this, we can do it here also. Now I'm going to show what other way, that in the report also you can do the sorting. Now control S, control W, this is query 1, clear? So now you have to make a report through query 1. Select the query 1, create report wizard. So query 1, transfer all the field, click next. It should be this one, all the field is coming together. And what they're asking to do, sort the data in ascending order, has a page orientation landscape. So it should be then click no grouping, ascending order of what? Sorting. Now we will do sorting here. Sort the data, you can do in the query also sorting. Sort the data ascending order of qual code. So qual code, first report I did in the query, it is mandatory. It's not mandatory that from where you have to do. You can do your sorting from any part, in the query part also, in the report part also. So ascending order of qual code, done. Click next, and it should be landscape according to the question, and adjust to the field. So all the fields fit on a page. So fit on a page, single page, and within the landscape, done. Click next, and then finish. See here all the records came, but some field name is not visible properly. So you have to open this one into design layout view. So you have to make some field name small, field column small. You have to make some column small, so all the data should be visible properly. Then subject, so it should be possible, it is possible in the layout view only, not in other view. So you have to open the report in layout view and you have to do like this way. So how to do that one? First you select the field name, then press Ctrl button, select the values, and full thing will be selected. Now male, female, full time, enrolled. You have to make it more small this side. Total enrolled. Done. Now next, what I have to do? Include the report title, select hour and degree. So according to the previous one, we have to open this one into design view, and here the title should be changed and it should be select hour. Is it select the, yeah, the hour degrees as your name, center number, candidate number at the top right of the report. So this is a good question. So top right of the report means it will come in every report. If it is a 2-page report, 3-page also, report, also top right. In that case, for keeping your bringing your name in every page, name, center number, candidate number in every page, you should not give it in report header. It should be page header. So but you can see there is no space in the page header. So what you will do, you will make it a little bit big and select all the fields. Select all the fields and move it little bit down and draw one label box. This is AA at the top right corner, and write down your name. Oh, that time I wrote Abdullah Mom. Name, center number, candidate number. Done. Now open this one to layout view for checking. So it will be look like this. At the top right corner, your name, center number, candidate number is there. Everything is there. Now next part of this question, do not display page number when printed. So what you will do for that, open this one into design view. Design view, you have to delete this too. This part is not needed. Make it small. Okay, now see it. Layout view. No page number or other things. Date also. Okay, now next one, save and print the report. So just you have to print the report. That's all. I think you understood. You can check the video. If you have any question in the class, you can ask me. Thank you.